Welcome to Top Best Picks. The best baby gadgets is probably one of the most exciting times in a parent's life, but it also comes with its share of challenges. Luckily, modern technology has gifted us with a wide array of innovative baby gadgets designed to simplify parenting and ensure your little one's safety and comfort. From smart monitors to soothing sound machines, these gadgets can make a world of difference. Number 5. HICCAPOP Wipe Warmer and Dispenser. This wipe warmer is trusted by millions. It's a quality product you can rely on for your baby's needs. The product has been a popular choice for parents. The innovative silicone seal keeps the wipes moist. This design prevents the wipes from drying out and turning brown. The top-heated design keeps the wipes warm. It has a built-in changing light for those late-night diaper changes. The soft light illuminates the changing table. The night light automatically shuts off after 10 minutes. The case holds a week's worth of wipes. It is compatible with all wipe brands. The viewing lens helps you to never run out of wipes. This wipe warmer comes in a beautiful gift box. It's a thoughtful present for new parents. It is one of the most popular and time-tested baby products. It uses a low-voltage power adapter for ultimate safety. You can register online for a free lifetime warranty. This product is designed with your baby's safety in mind. What we like. This wipe warmer keeps wipes perfectly moist, preventing them from drying out. The built-in changing light is a lifesaver during those late-night diaper changes. If you are looking for a convenient and safe way to keep your baby's wipes warm and ready, you should consider this. What people say. They are warm, but not hot. The light feature used at night is nice, and I used it for the first time last night. The auto shut-off is clutch BC at 2:45 a.m. I am not trying to remember to turn off tiny lights. Still loving this warmer. It is on and plugged in virtually every second of every day for the last 4 months. We went away for a few days and I unplugged it, it's been on every other minute besides that. I have never encountered any browning or drying out of wipes. Every wipes is just as fresh feeling as before. I have used several varieties of wipes as well. Some thread through the pull-out section better than others. Huggies and Pampers were fine. Water wipes were okay. One thing I would say that's happened a lot is the wipes not releasing nicely from their folder stack situation. Number 4. HICCAPOP OmniBoost Travel Booster Seat. Are you planning a day at the beach, a weekend camping, or a visit to grandma's house? This booster seat is perfect for any occasion. It provides a comfortable and safe space for your baby to sit, eat, and play. The lightweight frame folds down compactly for easy travel. It also includes a rear pocket for bibs and spoons, plus a shoulder carry bag for sanitary storage, making it the ideal travel booster chair. Keep your child secure with the gentle restraint system. It's ergonomically designed to keep even the most wiggly toddler in place and cozy. The buckles are also easily released with one hand. Babies are messy eaters, but don't worry. The fabric cover slides off for machine washing. This makes cleaning up those inevitable spaghetti stains a breeze. This portable baby chair comes with a convenient, attachable, and detachable tray. It's dishwasher safe and BPA free, and it swivels for easy in and out. You can also remove the tray when your little one grows up. The OmniBoost has a wide, stable base and removable tip-over prevention duck feet. This distributes weight evenly and increases stability on soft or uneven surfaces. What we like. This booster seat is designed for easy travel and use anywhere. The machine washable cover makes cleaning up messes a breeze. If you have a busy lifestyle and need a safe and portable seating solution for your little one, you should consider this. What people say. The chair itself is fantastic, sturdy, lightweight, easy to clean, and perfect for both mealtime and travel. Tray is easy to get on and off. Unlike the other brand, we literally have to shove it on there and almost always spill food. This one seemed more secure, as it is secured to a chair, and can be used on the floor with reinforced feet, and let me just say we love it. Love the features, washable with dishwasher-safe tray, and love that it's easily portable. Number 3. Frida Baby Medi Frida Medicine Dispenser. Tired of medicine time being a messy struggle? This innovative dispenser is designed to make administering medicine easy. It directs liquids to the side of the cheek, preventing spit-ups. This dispenser ensures accurate dosing. It bypasses the baby's taste buds, making it ideal for administering medications, gripe water, and vitamins. The set includes a syringe with clear markings for common doses. You can also use any standard syringe with the pacifier for added convenience. The pacifier shape is familiar and comforting for babies. It's designed like those used in hospitals, making medicine time less stressful. The tab allows it to double as a real pacifier. Each set comes with a syringe and a pacifier. Combined, they create a simple and effective way to give your baby medicine. It's everything you need for mess-free dosing. What we like. This medicine dispenser ensures accurate dosing and prevents spills, making medicine time less stressful. Its pacifier design provides comfort for your baby. If you are looking for an easy and effective way to administer medicine to your baby, you should consider this. What people say. I popped it in our 1-year-old's mouth today and she immediately sucked and gnawed on it while I gave her the full 3.75 milliliters dose of her medicine in 3 quick squirts, with brief pauses in between so she could contentedly play with it. No tears or fighting, no vomiting up the medicine immediately afterwards. The syringe that comes with it is also fantastic. It has clearly labeled measurement for both ibuprofen and acetaminophen dosages, which was a thoughtful detail. Este dispensador tiene la forma de un chupito tradicional, lo que lo hace familiar y cómodo para el bebé. La medicina se administra directamente en la mejilla del bebé, evitando que entre en contacto con las papilas gustativas y reduciendo la posibilidad de que la esquipa. Esto asegura que reciba la dosis completa sin derrames ni pelis. Number 2. Bubzi Co Baby Handprint and Footprint Kit. Don't let the exhaustion of new parenthood make you forget those precious early days. This kit helps you capture your baby's tiny handprints and footprints, preserving those memories forever. It's a must-have for every new parent. Crafted with safe, non-toxic, and durable clay, this frame ensures your baby's prints last. The smooth, lasting finish allows you to look back on those perfect little prints for a lifetime. This kit is designed to be a lasting memory. Designed with ease of use in mind, this kit allows you to capture perfect prints, even with the wiggliest fingers and toes. Simply press their tiny hand or foot into the soft clay to create a cherished imprint. It's simple and fun. This kit includes everything you need: air-drying clay, a wooden frame, acrylic safety glass, tape, letter stamps, and instructions. It's the perfect way to create a lasting memory of your little one. Everything is included to make it easy. This beautiful keepsake frame makes a thoughtful and unique baby shower gift. It's a meaningful present that new parents will cherish forever. It's a great way to celebrate the arrival of a new baby. What we like. This kit allows you to create a lasting keepsake of your baby's tiny handprints and footprints. It's easy to use, even with the wiggliest of babies. If you like to cherish those fleeting moments and create a beautiful memento, you should consider this. What people say. The kit is super easy to use, and the final result looks adorable on display, a beautiful way to capture those tiny hands and feet forever. Very easy to use, just remember to move fast as it will dry on you. Easy to use, good instructions. Number 1. VTech VM350 Baby Monitor. See your baby clearly with the high-resolution display. It shows images in full color during the day and grayscale at night. You can even zoom in for a closer look. This monitor offers up to 12 hours of video streaming in a range of up to 1,000 feet. It allows you to monitor your baby throughout the night and stay connected from anywhere in your home. This monitor uses a secure 2.4 GHz channel with FHSS technology. You can rest assured that you're the only one who can see and hear your baby. Lull your baby to sleep with 5 melodies and ambient sounds. The two-way talk feature lets your baby hear your voice, no matter where you are. The screen can be turned off and the sound muted to save power. The monitor still monitors the baby in the background. When it picks up any sound, the screen will automatically turn back on. The sound indicator will let you know when your baby is crying. The parent unit and camera are ready to use right out of the box. No pairing is needed. The camera can be placed on a desk or mounted on a wall. The parent unit has a rechargeable battery with a low battery alert. The built-in temperature sensor alerts you when it's time to adjust the thermostat. It helps ensure your baby's room is always comfortable. What we like. This baby monitor offers a long range and excellent battery life, allowing you to keep an eye on your baby from anywhere in your home. The secure, private connection gives you peace of mind. If you are looking for a reliable and secure way to monitor your baby, you should consider this. What people say. The setup was as simple as just plugging the product in and then turning it on. It has a very clear picture for monitoring and the swivel of the camera is very nice. Screen quality is perfect, daytime and night vision are so easy to see. Sound is clear and there's even a light that will go green, yellow, or red depending on how much noise baby is making. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.